Welcome to Ably Expo, the future of exhibitions. To have the best experience, please click register button below and log in. At the exhibition, there are two things you can do. Proceed directly to the exhibition by clicking on the exhibition button, or attend any of the interesting and highly informative webinars by clicking the webinar button. You can always move between the exhibition and webinar sections using the menus at the top. At the exhibition section, you can quickly find the exhibitor you are looking for by either scrolling through the list or typing the exhibitor name or keywords. Click on the exhibitor name to navigate to their stall. This is how the exhibitor's interactive stall looks like. On the right is the stall itself. On the left are tools for interacting with the exhibitor. Get to know about the company by clicking on the profile video. You can collect brochures by clicking on the brochures desk and selecting the download option. Similarly, you can watch the company's presentation by clicking on the presentation area and also download it for future reference. You can visit other exhibitors' stall at any time by either selecting from the list of exhibitors or scrolling using the left and right arrow buttons at top of the stall. Experience how technology amplifies the benefits of an exhibition interactively. In the Let's Connect section, you can get to know the company's representatives through a direct link to LinkedIn profile. Through the chat interface, you can get clarifications about any products and services in real time. Or you can use the Send Inquiry feature for offline clarification. You can also set up a separate meeting for more in-depth discussion. An important part of any business interaction is exchange of business cards. You can do this with the Exchange Visiting Card, where you can send your contact details and view the exhibitor's details for further follow-up. You can also click on the View Products button to visit the exhibitor's website. Now that you have experienced the power of your virtual stall, you can very easily share this with your business associates or friends with the Share Stall feature. A direct link to the stall will be sent by email. Make the most of your visit to Ably Expo by attending any of the informative webinars by industry experts. Expand your horizons and build business alliances from the comfort of your home. Participate in the future of exhibitions with the Ably Expo platform.